जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 345th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Setavartaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, if there is a high velocity stream of water flowing in between two mountains, but there is no enough space, then that water will be flowing with high velocity with so many bubbles and waves and coming up and up like that. So also all of your great qualities and great wealth, great jnanam, all those natural original attributes will be coming out from all the avatarams whenever you come down, and all vigrahas in the temples. So these great attributes will be coming out and giving that experience to all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Setavartaya Namaha. Om Setavartaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata, while recalling the greatness, the glow of Ayodhya in different ways, the previous glow, he is crying and entering into Ayodhya, entering into Dasaratha Maharaju's palace. How is that looking? If there is no lion in the cave, if there is no lion in the den, so also Dasaratha Maharaju's palace is looking like that. Into such Maharaju's palace, Bharata is entering. Entire of that Antahpuram, as and how, when there is no sun, even though it is right in the mid-noon, so also Antahpuram is looking like that. Viviktam Atmavan. Bharata is naturally very strong man, but he was unable to suppress his grief at that time. Mumocha Bashpam Bharataha Sudukkhitaha. He is moving to tears while looking at the status of the Antahpuram, which has no Maharaju, Dasaratha Maharaju, and where there is no Sri Ramachandra Swami. Finally, Bharata made sure that all the mothers reached Ayodhya safely, and then now he is addressing to all acharyas, saying that I am now going to go to Nandigramam Gamishyami. I am leaving to Nandigramam. I will be there while waiting for Sri Ramachandra Swami. Ramam Pratikshe. I will live over there while waiting for Rama. Sahiraja Mahayasaha. Rama is only the king. Rama has to become the king. I cannot rule this kingdom. Like this, when Bharata addressed all the acharyas, then all the gurus responding back to Bharata, saying that Bharata, we realize the love and affection that you have on your brother Sri Ramachandra Swami is very greatly appreciated. All that love and devotion. Oh Bharata, there is nobody can be compared with you for the devotion and respect you are showing to your brother. Not only that, you have respect towards all the relatives, you have respect towards all the people, and you are following the footsteps of great learned people. We like all the things that you are doing, Bharata. We cannot find any fault in you, Bharata. Now, whatever the decision that you are taking is okay with us. We all accept that one. All the acharyas responded positively to Bharata. Then Bharata felt happy to see acharya's consent for his decision. And now he is asking Sumantra, oh Saradhi, please get my chariot ready. Then he did namaskaram to all his mothers. Matruhu samabhivadya he did namaskaram. Then Aruroha Radham Sriman Shatrughnena Samanvitaha. Along with Shatrughna, he got into Radham. And now, before even he leaves, Vasishta and other Brahmanas and other Rishis, they left to Nandigramam. Bharata now has taken Sirasyadhaya Paduke, Sri Ramachandra Swami's Padukas, and he kept those Padukas on his head, and then he got into Radham, chariot. They all reached Nandigramam. They got down, Bharata got down from chariot, and the Padukas which is decorated with all the gold. Now Bharata saying to all the acharyas, these are the Padukas going to give Yogakshemam to entire earth. While having those Padukas on his head, Bharata, while moving to tears, he is addressing to all the citizens. Now, I am going to have this Padukas. He is saying to all the citizens, these Padukas are going to be established over here. These Padukas is only the one who will be taking care of entire kingdom. I have complete faith that these Padukas will establish all the dharma. These Padukas will take care of each and every one of you. That dharma sthapana can be done only by these Sri Ramachandra Swami's Padukas. Until Rama comes over here, I will be waiting for Rama. When Rama arrives, when Rama comes back here, I am going to have this Padukas wore by Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then when Ramachandra Swami wears these Padukas, I am going to look at those Sri Ramachandra Swami's Divya Sri Charanara Vindas. Charanau Tautu Ramasya Drakshyami Sahapadukau. I am going to see these Padukas along with Sri Ramachandra Swami's Divya Padas. Then I feel relaxed. Like that, Bharata addressing all the people over there in Nandigramam. And then what happens next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 37th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Asokaha. तारणः तारः सूरः सौरिः जनेश्वरः अनुकूलः शतावर्तः पद्मी पद्मनिभेक्षणः। ओम सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। ओम शतावर्ताय नमः। ओम शतावर्ताय नमः। ओम शतावर्ताय नमः।